Hello viewers, I'm going to show you a simple paper plane today that flies like a bird. So for that, as you can see, I have got a square sheet of paper and a long strip of paper. So now I'll show you how it is done. So take the square sheet of paper and fold it like this. Open it. Now again fold it such that this point touches the crease. Open it. Again fold it such that this point touches the crease. This is the first fold. Then fold like this. Fold it one more time like this, and again fold it one more time. Then flip it over. Now bring it like this and insert one end into the other. Just insert it inside such that it gets locked. Now this actually is locked and it won't come out, but we don't want it to suddenly open up when we are flying the plane. So we are going to stick a sellotape. Take a piece of tape, paste it here, fold this in and fold this also in. So we have fixed this. This is how it looks. Now take the other strip of paper that you have taken, fold it into half, open it, place the half here in the center and align this edge and this edge. And now with a piece of sellotape we are going to stick this here. Align the edge of both the pieces and then stick, and be sure to stick the other side as well. So this plane is now done. I will show you how it flies. To fly it, you have to hold it like this, and then with a smooth motion you launch it.